Well, this is day one. We're about to leave. I gotta document the trip. Waiting for Shaney. There's John right there. We're waiting for Shaney like always. But we're taking off to good old Coldwater, Michigan. Can you believe that, John? Coldwater, Michigan. It is what it is. Bish RV. They're the only ones that had they're the only ones that had the camper there, John. That's the one with the slide out. So hopefully everything goes good. Yeah.
Weed whacked some of the weeds around the trailer. I haven't got all of it done.
That's okay. I'm in a rush. Whenever you can get a chance, you get around to it. It's not a big deal. John's cleaning my other trailer, but we're going for a truck camper. And we're just waiting for Shaney. He's probably going to mow the lawn right now. Well, talk about crazy shit right now.
Wait.
Okay, Shane.
Wait.
It's 1 in the morning. I'm going to punch you in the mouth. Stop! Why the fuck you keep fucking doing that?
That's why.
Alright.
Yeah. Bobby, if you press wait enough times, I go wait, and then wait. Like, it gets all aggressive.
It gets angry and shit.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to hit it.
Wait, bitch. You're not my wife.
I don't know what you're doing.
Because you're not my wife. Run me outside. I'm gonna actually tie my belt. White Castle at 2 in the fucking morning. Thing of legends.
We've got a long way.
About time, Shane. I just don't understand how the hell you do that to shoes. They almost start talking.
What?
I just don't understand how the hell you do that to shoes. Anyways, let's enjoy this beautiful view, huh?
Can you imagine the pioneers when they came here?
So much history. This is so beautiful. What are these called again? The salt what?
Salt wash.
Salt wash.
Hey, John, can you jump on that thing over there?
Oh gosh.
We're still inbound for the camper. We stopped right here in this little town in Colorado. Pretty kick-ass. The Rockies are on that eastern end of it all. We're pumping diesel. Thank God for Chevys and their huge amount of fuel range. Say the Duramax can't. Shane knows my love for Walmarts, so he just brought us to this Walmart in Nebraska. They have big ass Walmart and then baby Walmart. They have a fucking gas station. That's metal.
Bobby, how long did you notice there was a big ass bus stop back there?
There's a what?
There's a big ass bus stop we passed that we put off in the cars. We stopped there because there was a thunderstorm over there.
So are we in Chicago?
No.
Well, doesn't he have one?
Yeah, but his is in better shape than that thing.
Yeah. Hey, you should tell him, hey, I'll sell it to me, $200. Well, actually, no. Let me deduct it from the rent you owe me. Oh, look at that little pontoon boat right over there. Oh, no. You got it. All right, boys and girls, this is the moment of fucking truth. We've been driving one much better half of 33 hours. We're gonna get my camper right now, so. And we got Kama Sutra doing his deal. Bish RV in Coldwater, Michigan. Oh God, all the guys Marina are exhausted, tired.
Yeah, all right.
Shane's still going. Shane's prideful. He won't admit it. He's tired. No, he got down How many hours? Well, after I stopped, like 9 to 10 hours straight, huh? That animal. You're gonna go down in history, Shane. Oh, I can't wait to pull up to the dealer. 8 more minutes. 8 more minutes. Pioneer.
Well, welcome to Michigan. Cops and donuts.
Cops and donuts? What the heck? Okay. I'll tell you though, you weren't wrong. Michigan's pretty hot. Like very kind of humidish,
Yeah.
dry.
It's nothing like we got right. Like we get occasional days like that, but it doesn't last very long.
Nah.
But the true humidity is when you go down south. Cold water next to exits.
This has been our bed for the last 2 nights. Back here, sleeping with crooked necks, angry fiancés. Yeah, I was a bit of a jackass a couple of nights. Crankiness gets to you.
Next will all be reset.
33 hours, Shane. Fuck me running.
Welcome to Michigan. The International Speedway's over there. Camping World.
Oh, I wonder if they're next to each other or something.
Where is it?
4 minutes away. Dude, it was 33 hours. Oh my god, damn. This was our bed. We drove straight.
We did have a little bit of a, it's good we didn't take any, like, right where you want me to pull over so you want to sleep or anything. I was like, no, I'm going to do this. Had we did, we wouldn't have that buffer we wanted. Which the tire used.
Yeah, true. But still, it was like the trade-off. You slept, I drove. You drove, I slept. But you
Take this next exit. Exit 13.
Oops. Missed it. I probably murdered myself.
Oh.
Lays us by an hour.
oh,
Oh, no.
oh,
I would throw that median right there in the middle.
where's my baby? Where's my camper? Where are you? Son, where are you, son? Oh, they are right next to a fucking camping world, though. Alright. They're like, sorry, Mr. Cruz, get the hell out of here. You're late.
We're behind Grandma Moses.
Of course.
It's a Buick.
I know, but... Oh, man. Seriously, that is like the sigh of relief. Inch your way into the light, Shane. Don't let the light turn green.
Come on, Buick.
Come on, old lady. Come on. Listen to the money talk.
John, have you owned a Buick?
Huh?
How are they?
Well, they're in the capital of where they were made. Michigan. Well, diesel's expensive here.
Big ass Walmart.
Oh, big ass Walmart, yes. Now we don't have to go hella far. Go to a Walmart. Come on, listen to the money. Come on, listen to the money talk. There it is.
Closed.
There it is. Oh shit, look at that haunted house.
I was distracted by it.
There we are.
I never seen stairs.
Dude.
I never seen a railroad.
Oh my god. Fuck yeah. Electric jacks. Hold on, Shane. I get to go in first, man.
Already been in.
Yeah, he did. He already helped
Yeah,
himself.
I already did. Well, there was a chance it wasn't yours.
Oh
I
my
was listening.
gosh, dude. Wow. Dude, it smells so incredible in here.
Ooh,
Oh, it's so hot, but it's so incredibly.
it's pretty hot.
Marina. Oh, yes.
That's a bigger shower than normal.
Hold on, Shane. Watch out. Let Marina come in. Marina, come in. I'm going to actually have this removed. It's held down by a couple screws. I don't know what those rusty spots are, but wow. Oh, and the step is so easy to get up on. Oh, beautiful. Ow. Oh,
There it goes.
there it goes. Yeah, but once you sit down, it's not that bad. They said they were going to detail it. We drove all the way to Coldwater, Michigan here at Bish RV.
So, you know, plenty of Joe, like, raise back up.
And I can't say how much I really appreciate it, man. It's awesome. Huh? What's it hitting on, John? Oh. That'd be fantastic as well. Well, we did it. What did he say, Shane? That we couldn't get a pop out
Yeah, you couldn't get a camper with a pop out.
on a 2500. He said,
Yeah, you said you need 35 minimum.
"My ass."
That's all of them.
Beautiful. Coldwater, Michigan. We did it.
I love that new blanket.
Shane, if you ever ask yourself, and Marina, why I work hard, is for stuff like this, man. So that way we can all, especially now me and Marina, now she can finally stop telling me that she don't want to go camping because it stinks. All right, let's do it. Let's go. Let's go. Mission accomplished. Bish RV. Sweet. That generator won't fall in, will it? Oh, watch out with that, sir, man. Bish RV. Thank you guys very much, man. Nah, it's gonna be tight enough where it won't.
I don't know, with Ken.
With Shane, huh? Put those cushions around it. And I will be doing the full tour later, but the first night sleeping in the camper, oh my lord. It's like sleeping in a mansion. So different from the other one. So roomy. Oh, the bed was A1. So beautiful inside. It's got the slide out. Shiny. Oh, there it is. Believe it or not, Shane, do have a little following. Shani is sleeping in the slide out. I didn't see in the picture when
Buy a car with just 2 tires.
well, when I was negotiating the deal, I didn't see the pictures of that. Alrighty, so there's a little outside view. Excuse us for all that jibber jabber. Got the AC top of the vent there. I'm just trying to show my mom. She wants to see what it looks like. I told her we'll show it right now, baby girl. Where'd John go?
We're in a campsite out here in Indiana. What a beautiful national park Indiana is. My generator's still there, so it hasn't been stolen. Look at the weather out here. Gorgeous, gorgeous weather. Indiana. Shane, what's the name of the town here?
What?
What's the name of the town?
We're out of town. We're in a park.
Well, no shit,
Indiana
but
Dunes National Park.
Indiana Dunes National Park. Indiana Dunes National Park. And this is what my campy camper looks like. It was a gigantic drive. It was a gigantic drive, but for the right deal, as you can tell, I'm down. I got this thing so cheap, cheaper than most places in California. And it has the slide out, which was the big deal I wanted for the 3/4 ton trucks, because you have to have you can't put a usually can't get one with the slide out, but you know us, we defied the odds. Shit looks sexy, and I got the tie downs.